स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome you all. So today's video is for those candidates who are preparing for Maharashtra Law CET 3 years, because guys, on their demand, we launch our new batch named as GLC 120, this season 2 batch. Okay, we already launched the GLC 120 batch and now it is the season 2 batch. So those guys who want to make their career in the field of law, then guys, why are you waiting for? Start your preparation from now onwards. And to know all the features of GLC 120 season 2, stay tuned. So very first one, our new YouTube channel launch named as Manual Law Entrance, and which is very specific to all law entrance exams such as Maharashtra Law CET, CLAT, DU LLB, BHU Law, SLAT, LSAT, ILAT and others. So if you are preparing for any entrance exams, visit at only one platform, that is the manualedu.com. So link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description. Guys, click on that link and don't forget to subscribe the channel because you will get lot of updates there. And guys, one more thing, tell me which type of video you wanna, on which particular topic, okay, on which particular college, on which particular exam. Just post in the comment box, so we'll try to make a new video as per your recommendations. Okay guys, so get the best coaching for all law entrance preparations. Call our port line number 8828581455. So this is all our online live preparation strategy. The courseware is as follows. You will get all the basic concepts, all the fundamental concepts. You will get access for the ebooks and also the study materials. You will get access for the mock test, both with respect to the topic test and full length mock test. There will be approx 5,000 questions into the practice, so you will have a lot of data for the practice purpose. Because guys, if you talk about the entrance exams, then you will learn all the shortcut tricks. You will also enhance your speed, okay, that is the solving technique. But guys, the one thing which is more considerable, and that is nothing but the practice. You have to do practice, practice and practice with respect to the entrance exam, because the practice makes the perfect. You will get the mentorship by the exam experts and the toppers. All syllabus will be taught. You will learn to the new shortcut tricks and approach learning, so that will boost your preparation and you will get the cognitive effect throughout the preparations. There will be major focus on the reading comprehension part, the puzzle and arrangement part, which is quite difficult with respect to the logical reasoning. So you will get more focus on this, on the GK part and also on the legal aptitude. Approx 100-hour classes and doubt session will be there. All your doubts will be cleared into the live class. The WhatsApp group will be made for all the students, so you can share all your ideas there and you can also post your doubts on the WhatsApp. And after the result, you will get the proper guidance for the admission process, or you can say that the cap round process. So guys, for enrollment you can call or WhatsApp on these numbers. And guys, why this is the GLC 120? Because the 120 stands for the scores. You have to score 120 plus marks, so you can easily enter into the GLC Mumbai or even in ILS Pune. And guys, one thing I want to ask you, how many of you started your preparation yet? I think lot of students are waiting for the dates when it will be declared. But guys, seriously, I want to tell you one thing, the dates are not declared yet, but guys, there is a tentative date. Keep all these dates in your mind and start your preparation accordingly, because it will be preponed or postponed. But if you have your preparation, then you can face any of the challenges. So that means if you are ready for the exam, then exam bhale kal ho ya parso guys, you can easily crack it. So guys, don't waste your time, because CET सेल जब भी अनाउंस करेगा गाइज, तब तक तो आपका काफ़ी कुछ प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगा, क्योंकि गाइज ये एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है, या आपको बहुत कुछ सीखना है. You have to learn new shortcut tricks, you have to enhance your speed, you have to learn new techniques and also you have to generate the time handling capacity. So guys, जब तक डेट आ जाएगी आपका काफ़ी कुछ प्रिपरेशंस हो जाएगा. मेक श्योर कि प्रिपरेशंस पीछे ना रहे. So I already made a video on the tentative dates. Guys, just watch that video and make your strategy accordingly. Now, why GLC Mumbai or the ILS? Because guys, if you wanna enter into the institute which is top in Maharashtra, then there is only two institutes. The GLC holding the first position and the ILS on the second rank. So the GLC, it is Asia's oldest law school, which is established in 1855. So that means more than 160 years. ILS, India's leading law school, which is established in 1924. So both these institutes are great, having great facilities. If you want a separate video on that, then guys, I already made a video on these two institutes. You will get the comparison between the GLCA and ILS. So watch that video too. So you will get the ideas why you have to target the GLCA and ILS. if you wanna become a Mumbaikar or the Punekar, guys, it's all depends on your preparation, how much marks you score. But my advice is, guys, target 120 plus marks to get through these colleges. So guys, if you have started your preparation, then it's well. And if you have not started yet, then guys, kickstart your preparations, because as you already know, the competition is going tougher each year, so that means you have to do lot of work there. So guys, think accordingly, start your preparations and join Manua online program, so you will get the boosters such as the books, mock tests, sectional course, full course, and all these features in the live lectures. So call on 8828581455, or you can visit at manuaedu.com/lawentrance. So this link also mentioned in the description. Kindly check all the descriptions. And if you are preparing for 2022, then guys, you can also join with us. Our live programs are already started. Okay, so call on this number. So that's it. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.